feel like walking like
Just looking at people's bikes.
yeah, one's like a damper and one's a spring.
Really?
Yeah.
So I guess it does work.
Yeah, but the thing is, you have to like stack both on top of each other somehow.
Okay. All right, let's go.
All right.
Go ahead. Better for the footage. Ooh, forgot about this. Whew. Whew. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Tight. Oh God. Whoa. Oh. Close one. Oh, low tree. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Not a fan of that. That's for sure. What is the right line?
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh my God. Same branch. Mine? Serious?
I don't know if it's oh, just for my down.
Oh, sorry. It's all right. I was like, he's not turning. Oh. Oh.
Stabbing the ass on my seat.
Go ahead.
Dude, ow. My butthole.
Oh, you got stabbed in the butt?
Yeah.
Oh. Damn, your butt's like blasted with mud.
Is it?
Yeah.
I have to walk this way tonight.
Oh, what a climb.
They're all by that traction. Yeah. They're the worst.
Is this the right line? I don't know.
There's not much choice in it.
True. Oh shit.
I always end up a little to that.
I'll take John's line. Whoop. Oh. Classic spot. Man, you're going
Yeah, you're really moving, dude.
Yeah, maybe where I'm sitting over the bike.
Oh, like when you pedal, you go like this?
A little bit.
Okay. I guess you'll see in the video.
Yeah, I guess like seating position and stuff could do that.
All right. Why don't you lead?
All right.
Oh. Whew.
One more.
One behind me.
That was
All
a
right.
good ride.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Yep.
Yeah. Be safe.
Yep.
See it.
All right.
Blue. I don't know.
All right. More footage time.
Oh man. Metallic purple.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thanks. Ooh. Uh-oh.
What's that?
You got a puncture? Think so.
Nice. Oh,
What did you hit? Oh, it was that tile.
oh, the tiles? There were a lot of thorns there too.
Yeah, maybe. You have a tube?
I have tube.
I have levers. I have levers and a pump.
This is the first time I've ever gotten a puncture.
Really? Last time around with Enoch was the first time.
For you?
Yeah, I was like, what? All right.
See what sweat coming out of my face.